Episode 2, How AI Helps Us Every Day. Hi, everyone, and welcome back to the podcast. In the previous episode, we talked about what artificial intelligence is and why it has become such an important topic today. In this episode, we are going to look at something more practical, how AI helps us in everyday life. Many people think AI is something futuristic, something that belongs in science fiction movies or advanced laboratories. But the truth is that AI is already around us. In fact, most of us use it every single day, often without even noticing it. Let's start with one of the most common examples, our phones. When your phone unlocks using your face, when your keyboard suggests the next word, or when your voice assistant answers a question, AI is working in the background. These systems recognize patterns, process information, and try to make your experience faster and easier. Another everyday example is search engines. When you search for something online, AI helps decide which results are most relevant to you. It can understand your words, correct spelling mistakes, and even guess what you are looking for before you finish typing. This makes finding information much faster than before. AI is also used in recommendation systems. When Netflix suggests a movie, YouTube recommends a video, Spotify creates a playlist, or an online store shows products you might like. AI is analyzing patterns in your activity. It looks at what you watched, listened to, searched for, or repeat, and then tries to predict what could interest you next. Navigation apps are another great example. Apps like Google Maps or Waze use AI to analyze traffic, road conditions, accidents, and travel times. Instead of simply showing a map, they help you choose the fastest or most convenient route. This can save time, reduce stress, and make traveling easier. AI also helps with communication. Translation tools can quickly translate text or speech from one language to another. Email apps can filter spam, suggest replies, and organize messages. Chatbots can answer common questions on websites or help customers find information without waiting for a human assistant. In education, AI can support both students and teachers. Students can use AI tools to explain difficult topics, summarize texts, practice languages, or organize study plans. Teachers can use AI to create exercises, prepare lesson materials, and give more personalized support to students. Of course, AI should not replace learning or critical thinking. It should be used as a helper. The goal is not to let AI do everything for us, but to use it to understand things better and work more effectively. AI is also becoming useful at work. It can help write drafts, summarize meetings, organize data, create presentations, analyze reports, and automate repetitive tasks. This gives people more time to focus on creative thinking, problem solving, and human communication. Another important area is healthcare. AI can help doctors analyze medical images, detect patterns, and support diagnosis. It can also help organize patient information and improve hospital systems. However, in healthcare, AI must be used very carefully because human expertise and responsibility are extremely important. AI also appears in smart home devices. Smart thermostats can learn when you are usually at home and adjust the temperature. Security cameras can recognize movement. Smart speakers can play music, answer questions, or control lights. These tools are designed to make daily life more convenient, but while AI is useful, we should also be aware of its limits. AI can make mistakes. It can misunderstand information, give inaccurate answers, or recommend content that is not always good for us. Recommendation systems, for example, may keep showing us similar content and limit what we see. Privacy is another important issue. Many AI systems work by using data. That means we should pay attention to what information we share, which apps we use, and how our data may be collected or stored. So, what is the main idea? AI is not only a technology of the future, it is already part of our daily routines. It helps us search, communicate, travel, learn, work, shop, and entertain ourselves. The most important thing is to use AI consciously. We should enjoy the benefits, but also ask questions. Is this information correct? What data am I sharing? Am I using AI as a tool, or am I depending on it too much? If we use AI wisely, it can become a powerful assistant in everyday life. To sum up, AI helps us every day through phones, search engines, recommendations, navigation, translation, education, work, healthcare, and smart devices. It can make life easier and more efficient, but it should always be used responsibly. Thank you for listening to this episode. In the next part, we can explore how AI is changing education and how students and teachers can use it in a smart way.